Hey everyone, welcome back to Topribai channel. Today we are diving into an epic showdown between two characters Iron Man and Doomsday.
First, let's break down our contenders. Iron Man, aka Tony Stark, is a genius billionaire with an incredible suit of armor. He's got advanced tech, powerful weapons, and a brilliant tactical mind. Iron Man suits come with repulsor beams, missiles, and a variety of other gadgets designed for combat. Plus, he is constantly upgrading and innovating. On the other side, we have Doomsday, a nearly unstoppable force of destruction. Known for his immense strength, durability, and regenerative abilities, Doomsday is a nightmare opponent. Each time he is defeated, he comes back even stronger, adapting to whatever took him down before. So, what happens when technology meets raw power? Let's consider the possibilities. In a straight up fight, Doomsday sheer strength could overwhelm Iron Man. However, Tony's genius and advanced weaponry might give him the edge he needs. He could deploy various suits like the Hulk Buster, designed to handle extreme threats. Additionally, Iron Man's strategic thinking could help him find a way to exploit any weakness in Doomsday's defenses. But Doomsday's resilience is a major factor. His ability to adapt and recover from injuries makes him a relentless adversary. Ant-Man would need to stay one step ahead and continuously innovate to stand a chance. In the end, this battle could go either way. It's clash of brains versus brawn, tech versus raw power. What do you think? Who would come out on top in this epic showdown? Let us know in the comments below. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on Topribai channel.